Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: file class to check, create, and write the data to a file. So using file class, we are going to check whether a file exists or not. If the file does not exist, we'll create a new file and we'll write the data into that particular file. Right, so first of all, we'll understand what are IO streams in Java. IO. So IO stands for input output. Then what is stream? So stream is nothing but flow of data from source to destination in a Java program. So basically in Java, we have two types of streams. First one, input stream, and second one, output streams. So what are input streams? So input streams are nothing but reading streams. So reading streams, they will read the data from source into Java program, and generally the source is keyboard. From keyboard, we are going to read the data into the Java program. And second one, output streams. So what are output streams? So output streams are nothing but writing streams. So writing streams, we are going to write the data from Java program onto the destination, and generally we are going to write the data onto the monitor or display or output screen. And to work with IO streams, we have java.io package. So in java.io package, we have different classes for input stream and different classes for output stream, using which we can perform reading operations and writing operations in a Java program. So now coming to the concept of how to use file class to check if a file exists or not. If a file does not exist, we are going to create a new file, and in that new file we are going to write the data. So first of all, file class is available in java.io package, and this file class, it is not inherited from input stream class or output stream class, but it is part of java.io package or Java IO streams. So what is the use of file class? So file class is used to work with files, folders, same like operating system files and folders. For example, we can work with file attributes: read only, write only, hidden files. So we can get the file path, name of the file. We can check whether it is a file or folder. What is the parent folder of a particular subfolder? We can create a new folder, we can create a new file, and we can also delete files and folders. So create folder or files, and we can also delete them. So now coming to the concept of what are the different constructors and methods that helps us to work with file class. So if we see the description of a file class, java p -p java.io.file class. So open the command prompt, go to your working directory and issue the command. So it is a big class. Now in this class, first of all, it is not inherited from input stream class or output stream class, and this is the constructor using which we are going to open a file. Public file constructor, we have to pass string file name as parameter. We also have another constructor where we can pass file path, comma, and file name, two input parameters to the constructor. So here first parameter string is file path and second parameter string is file name, path plus file name. And coming to the methods, we are going to use these methods to work with the file. First, we'll check if the file exists or not. If the file does not exist, we are going to create a new file and it throws IOException. Right. So create new file, throws checked IO exception. So try catch is compulsory. So try catch is compulsory. Right, so let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. File class example 3. So take a new page. So first we'll write the comments. Program to use file class to check, create, and write the data to a file. So now import java.io package. Next, take main class with main method and save this program as file class example3.java in our working directory. Right. So inside the main method, we will use try block, and at the end of the main method, we'll use the catch block. Any exception, catch it with exception class and print exception type and message. Now we'll get IO exception, we'll get file not found exception. Okay, so to overcome that, we are using try catch. So in the try, enter any file name initially, and we are accepting that file name using data input stream class object system.in. So system.in indicates keyboard, and dis data input stream class object dot read line. It will read one line of data from the keyboard and store that as fname, file name in our program. And next we are associating that file with file class ff. So file class ff object. And then we are checking if ff.exist. If the file is already existing, then we are saying file already exists in system. Else. So we'll come to the else part. In the else part, what we are doing? We are printing a message. File does not exist in the system, and then we are creating a new file. So ff file object dot create new file. It will return true or false with IO exception. If the file is created, it will return true. If the file is not created, it will return false. If we don't have permissions to create a new file, then we'll get IO exception. So ff.create new file true. Then we are printing file created successfully. Otherwise, file cannot be created. And finally, we are closing the data input stream object. Right. So first of all, we'll execute till here. Right. So just compile the program. So file class example3.java. Compile it, no error, and run it. So first we'll take demo1.txt. We already have this file. Next, demo2.txt. File already exists in system. Next we'll take demo3.txt. So demo3 file already exists in the system. So what we'll do is we'll delete this file demo3, and now rerun the program demo3. So file does not exist in the system. File created successfully. Open the file. So notepad demo3.txt. We don't have any data inside a file. Close it. Now we'll write some data inside a file. So file created successfully. So what we'll do is we'll create an object of file output stream. FOS is equals to new file output stream and pass the file name. So once the file is created, we'll write the data into the file. Okay. So what data we have to write? So we'll take something like string ss is equals to new string, and then here will pass some text data as initial string, something like hello students. Right, so this data will convert into byte array. So byte array b is equals to ss dot get bytes of ss. Okay, so ss dot get bytes, it will convert string into byte array. So this byte array, we will write it onto the file using fos dot write byte array b. That's it. And finally fos dot close. Done. So file created successfully, file writing done successfully. Right, so save this, open the command prompt. So let us delete the file demo3. File is deleted. Next, recompile the program. File class example3.java and run it. Now give demo3. So file does not exist in system. File created successfully. Now check the data in the file. Notepad demo3.txt. We have hello students. Right, so this is how we are supposed to work with file class to check whether a file exists or not in our system. If it does not exist, we are going to create a new file and we are going to write the data into that new file. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.